Assalamu alaikum beautifuls, how are you today? Do let me know in the comment section that how are you doing today. So I'm back with another hair tutorial. I hope you like it because it's so stunning and stylish, yet it's so traditional. I really like it, and I thought let's share with you guys because you're liking my hairstyle tutorials a lot. Let's like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay connected. So now it seems a bit difficult, but it's so easy and you can definitely do it by yourself. So you need to section your hair in three sections: the front part, the middle part, and the back part, where we're gonna place our donut bun in the shape of an oval to make a Swiss roll. So make a half head pony and tie the hair on upward direction. Now grab all the hairs that you have at the bottom and tie in a ponytail, and then you can use a donut bun with a rubber band around it and take out both of these ponies in the donut bun. I hope I'm explaining it the right way. Yes, once you have your hair straightened up, you can secure the donut bun with some bobby pins or any kind of braid pins. So comb your hair on any side you want to place your Swiss puff or Swiss roll. So now take another elastic band and place it around the donut bun. Now we're gonna take two strands at a time, twist them around, and cover the whole bun with the same similar style. You can change this style whatever type you want. You can make it three strand braid, or you can make any kind of other hairstyle you want. But if you don't even want any kind of twisted braid kind of style, you can just plainly cover your hair like any other Swiss roll, and it will look also good. But in this type, I think you can make it more fluffier and make it more stylish. So that's the whole point of sharing with you guys, that you can change this kind of hairstyle and you can have another idea about it, how to style your hair in different way. So keeping it the plain situation or plain way, it is a one style, but this could be another hairstyle that you can try. So I really like it. It looks really different. So all the hair that's been left, you can just place it over one more time, and you can hide it like it's matlab around the bun. Now let's come to the front part. You can place any kind of mang tika if you want, or you can just place at the side of your head, or you can place at the middle of your head. It's totally on your preference how you want your hairstyle to be. Now we're gonna take all the sections from the front section and place it section by section and make it a really beautiful. Now, this can be one type of voiceover where I explain what's going on, and there is another type of voiceover where I can just talk to you guys and tell you what to do, because I think it's pretty understandable what's going on, and you can do it by just watching it. But I just love to connect with you. I love to talk to you, and while I'm talking to you, I can explain what's going on, and we're just having a good time and chit chat, and I hope you're having a good time, because that's the whole point of me sharing these kind of tutorials with you and learning and making something beautiful meanwhile. So yeah, what else is done or left to be done is make roses of the hairs that's been left with the kind of, you can see what I'm doing, and I think you like it. I really like it. I hope someone makes my hair like this, and inshallah if any event come, I will share with you guys that how I make this kind of hairstyle, and it's really beautiful and very unique hairstyle. I personally really like it. So yeah, this is my whole video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
I feel